We'll guide you through how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, head over to the Edit tab, which is typically located at the bottom of the interface. You'll want to look for the effects library on the top left. Click on it, and from the list of options, choose Titles. In the Titles section, you'll find an option called Subtitle. Click and drag the subtitle option into your timeline, placing it exactly where you want the subtitles to begin. Once placed, double-click on the subtitle clip in the timeline to open the inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can enter your text in the text field. Make sure to check the font and size options to fit your style and readability preferences. You can adjust the positioning and timing by dragging the edges of the subtitle clip in the timeline. To add more subtitles, simply repeat the process, dragging new subtitle clips to the timeline where needed. Once you've added all your subtitles, you might want to preview your video to ensure everything is synchronized properly. If adjustments are needed, you can tweak the timing directly in the timeline by clicking and dragging the subtitle clips. For exporting, make sure to go to the Deliver tab, select your desired format, and make sure to check the option to export subtitles if needed. This will embed the subtitles into your video or create a separate file depending on your choice. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.